Hi guys, welcome back to MadMods PC Modding. It's your boy Mikey, and today we're checking out something from my DIY PC. That something is a case. It's a Trio-GT-RGB, and we're also doing a global giveaway. 2 of these globally. First time. Okay, so it will be given away by me and Mike Sampson of Tantric Mods. For his side of the giveaway, I'll post a link down in the description of this video. You will be redirected to his Facebook page, and he'll post the details on how it works on his side of the fence. As for me, you just have to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and maybe leave a comment on why you want to win this case. And then on the description, I'll also link you to my Facebook page where there will be additional steps, a few more for you to be in the running. And I know it's not too much, so please guys join. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much my DIY PC for doing this with us. This giveaway will run until the 21st of April Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to leave a like on my Facebook page so that you don't miss the winner announcement. That's all that I have to say. Now let's check out this case. That's it for our quick look at the Trio-GT-RGB for my DIY PC. I think for $100, it's packed with a lot of features that you need for your first build or a second gaming PC. If you want to see more of their products, you can visit mydiypcusa.com. Please join the giveaway. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out.